CEO of Dhanalakshmi College of Engineering, Tambaram, Chennai. இந்த வருஷம் நாங்கள் வந்து ஓப்பன் ஹவுஸ் காம்படிஷன் 2025 லான்ச் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். This we are conducting for the past 10 years, and this year we are having almost 150 project displays, and students from 63 schools are participating here, and we have almost 2000 visitors anticipated for this particular project. The students have displayed their innovative projects in the new innovation and new technologies, and here we could see a lot of students' talents coming out. This is a high successful project which we have been conducting, and I am thankful to all the principals, schools and the students who have participated.
We are going to conduct a openness project contest every day. Every year we are conducting. So this is the 7th year we are continuously conducting these projects. So more than 250 schools are registered. The projects also nearly 250 projects registered. Today we are getting only up to 180 projects displayed here. So many school students are visiting in these projects. So first I introduce myself. I am Dr. V. Tambaram, coordinator of these projects. So this is Dr. Sivkumar sir. He is also one of the coordinator in these projects. So every year we are conducting these projects. Sir, please say some few words.
This is Dr. Sivkumar from Dhanalakshmi College of Engineering. I am working as a director research and development. Every year we are conducting this type of programs to motivate our school students or exhibit their talents. Every year we are conducting this event because of we are promoting the knowledge or sharing the knowledge to schools, and we are bridge between schools and engineering colleges, so that students can motivate, or also we are conducting awareness programs and student outreach program in particular schools. In the school itself we are conducting or demonstrating the latest technology called IoT, embedded systems, and AR, VR and drone technology. This type of technology we are going to conduct in your school. Based on their school request, we are conducting this outreach program, so that students gets benefited. Also they are getting their knowledge about recent trends. In this year our chairman are giving the prizes around 1.5 lakhs. First prize is 25,000 and second prize is 15,000 and third prize is 10,000. And also we are going to announce that we are already mentioned the themes, 5 themes, that is sustainable development goals themes. Based on that we are going to give the awards. For example, Young Scientist Award, Best Innovation Award, Best Prototype Award, Best AI Engineer Award. This type of awards we are going to issue now. The jury members are thoroughly evaluating the projects. They will give the result. After the result will be announced. So students use this opportunity. Also their opportunity to visit our Center of Excellence called 3D printing, AR, VR, drone technology, and some more solar based renewable energy systems lab. In this lab students get more knowledge about the recent trends. Thank you so much.